Good day everyone. This is Carl Stephen Igunya. In this presentation, we're going to talk about modern philosophers who have significantly contributed to our understanding of ethics in contemporary society. In this video, we're going to talk about 5 influential philosophers and their key ethical theories. To start with Martha Nussbaum, the leading figure in the field of virtue ethics. Nussbaum focuses on the capabilities approach, which emphasizes the importance of promoting human capabilities. Nussbaum argues that a human life, in order to reach its highest potential, must include a number of capabilities, that is actual possibilities that can one release one's life. This includes the ability to live a life that is worth living, the ability to use one's imagination, sufficient education to enable a truly human understanding of the world and one's position, having dignity and a sense of equal worth. Next is John Rawls, who proposed the concept of justice as fairness. John Rawls was a 20th century American philosopher who challenged the dominant utilitarian view of justice. He proposed a theory of justice as fairness based on two principles that would be chosen by rational people in a hypothetical original position. The first principle guarantees equal basic liberties for all, such as freedom of speech, religion, and conscience. The second principle regulates social and economic inequalities, requiring them to be the greatest benefit of the least advantaged and attached to fair opportunities. Rawls argued that his theory would ensure a more stable, democratic, and egalitarian society than utilitarianism or other alternatives. His theory has been widely influential but also criticized for its idealization, abstraction, and neglect of historical and cultural factors. Now let's move on to Peter Singer, also known for his animal ethics and global poverty. Singer's utilitarian perspective promotes effective altruism and highlights the moral importance of non-human animals in order to disrupt conventional ethic norms. In his book on animal liberation, Singer makes the case for treating animals morally and encourage a change to a more sympathetic and long-lasting relationship with non-human beings. Next is Judith Butler. Butler's theory of performativity highlighted the performative nature of gender in role of social norms in shaping identity. The concept of gender trouble or performativity, Butler challenges established concept of gender and promotes inclusivity of social progress. And lastly, we have Jean-Paul Sartre, also known for his theory existentialist ethics. Freedom is emphasized, which whole person can choose what he or she deems to do based on subject experiences on he or she wants to live, which not be grounded by some rules and laws, but instead we do what we want to do. That's it guys, I hope you learned something. See you again next time. Bye bye.